Hey guys, it's Calvin, and this is the Panasonic V770 HD camcorder, and I actually got this as a gift just a little while ago from my family. They knew I've been wanting a camcorder for a while now, so they got me a Christmas gift this year, and it was this camcorder. So a big shout out to them. I'm really excited to use it. They knew I've been wanting a camcorder for quite some time now, and I've been wanting it because I wanted to shoot some video and movies in a little bit better quality than what's on my iPhone camera. And don't get me wrong, the iPhone camera is an awesome camera. In fact, I'm using it to shoot this video right now. But I wanted something a little bit more professional, something I could take primarily for travel when I go on trips and stuff, and I would have something really nice to take really nice quality videos from. So I am planning a pretty big trip this year, and I'm really excited to use this camera for it. And of course, I'll be shooting some YouTube videos and some other things on it. And in this video, I just wanted to do a quick little unboxing, show you guys some of the features and some of the included accessories that come in the box. So without further ado, let's get into it. So here we are. This is the Panasonic V770 HD camcorder, and it can shoot full high definition videos in 1080p, and it has this 20x optical zoom, and it can actually go up to 50x optical zoom with this intelligent zoom feature turned on. And it can do this using 4 different optical lenses that basically handle all the zooming internally. It can also shoot HDR, so you can shoot videos and movies in high dynamic range, which basically gives you a slightly better quality than the standard high definition video recording capabilities. It also has this really cool feature, this wireless twin camera feature. So if you have an eligible smartphone, you can actually pair it with the camcorder and you can shoot video on your smartphone, and it's actually going to display that video within the video that the camcorder is capturing. So you'll have this video inside a video capability when you're recording. So that's pretty cool. It also has a BSI sensor, which basically means it can shoot video and reduce the noise in the picture in environments that are either low light or dim light. And it also has some pretty cool creative control features, so you can actually shoot videos in black and white and 8mm film and some other modes, and they're basically filters for your videos. And it also has full high definition slow motion at 120 frames per second, which is pretty cool, and it can actually interpolate between the frames and get up to 240 frames per second slow motion. So that's pretty awesome. Now here is the front of the box. We also have the side of the box here, has some information up here. It's compatible with some Mac OS software here, and it also has some optional accessories. These do not come in the box, but they will be compatible with this camcorder. Here is the top. It also has the title, some other information, and here is the back. It also has a bunch of more useful information, some stuff here. Cool, so let's actually get into the unboxing. I'm pretty excited about this. I've been wanting a camcorder for a really long time, and this is my first actual camcorder. And this is the camcorder. We'll go ahead and set that to the side, get all the other stuff out of the way. This looks like it's the manual, pretty important stuff here, and has some more cardboard. Now this thing is the shoe adapter. So this basically plugs into the camcorder at the top, and you can add other accessories like lights or microphone to the top of the camcorder. So it basically holds all those accessories nice and snug at the top of the camcorder. Here is our battery. That's our battery, plugs into the back of the camcorder. And I think this is a 3.6 volt battery, and it's 1940 milliamps, so it's a decent battery. It does take about 2 hours and 20 minutes to charge, and you can shoot for it for about 35 to 50 minutes depending on what type of mode you're shooting in. So that's the battery right there. Let's see what else we have. This looks like it is the HDMI cable. I think it's the HDMI cable. Yep. So this is the HDMI micro cable. So it has a standard HDMI port on one end and a micro HDMI port on the other end. And this one plugs into the camera. This one plugs into your TV or your computer or anything else. And then It looks like we have something else. This looks like the USB cable. So I think this is a, oh, I'm sorry, this is a DC cable. So it does have a USB connection. This plugs into the back of the camcorder and it's used to charge your battery. So there's the DC cable. What else do we have? This must be the micro USB cable. So there it is. That is the micro USB cable. This is a type B cable and it's a 2.0 cable. So it is a little bit slower transfer speeds than your more modern USB type 3 cable. There's the USB type 2 and there is the micro end that plugs directly into your camcorder. Pretty cool. And then finally, looks like this is the AC adapter. So this plugs into your outlet here and you have your USB port here. So this charging cable you actually plug in right there and you plug this into the wall and then this connects to the back of the camera and charges your camera. So cool. All right, let's get to the main component. So this, that's pretty awesome. There it is. That's the Panasonic V770 camcorder. On the side we have the logo, full high definition, Wi-Fi, another camera function button here, and it can actually be pushed in and out and also scroll up and down. Now, this does have your touch screen here and it is reversible, so you can shoot here and view yourself here if you wanted to. And we have our micro USB port right there, our HDMI port, AV, microphone, battery release, and our shoe adapter release. So that other component that we had somewhere down here, this is the shoe adapter. So this basically plugs in there and you can add your external microphones or lights or any other accessories up here. And if you want to take this out, you have to press the shoe adapter down and you can pop this right out. So that on the back, that's where your battery will fit in. You have your shoe adapter port here and you have your recording button up here. At the very top, we have this windshield zoom microphone. Now this microphone does a really good job of canceling out a lot of wind noise when you're recording outdoors. It actually has this thin material between the cage here. It actually does a good job filtering out some of the wind noise. Down here you have your zoom in and zoom out button that also doubles as your volume button, and here is a snapshot button. So as you're recording, you can actually hit this and it'll take a picture of whatever you're recording. So that's the top. Here is the side. This is your DC cable input. So this is where you would plug in your DC adapter to charge the battery. We have a nice strap here. Looks like it's adjustable and Velcro right there. And at the bottom here, we actually have a headphone port, and looks like it's your standard 3.5 millimeter jack. There is the front. There's your lens, there's your light, and at the very top is your microphone. And at the bottom, it's pretty cool, we have our connection to a tripod connector. And here we have an SD card reader, so you can just flip the lid, input your SD card, and you should be good to go to record. I believe that was it. There it is. The Panasonic V770. So there you go, the Panasonic V770 camcorder. If you guys like this video, make sure you guys hit that thumbs up. And if you're new to the channel, go ahead and click subscribe. And if you guys have any comments or questions, anything you'd like to see in the future for this camcorder, whether it's test footage or additional features or maybe even a review, please let me know in the comments. If you guys have questions, leave them in the comments and I'll try to address them as best as I can. And besides that, I hope you guys have an awesome start to the new year, and I will see you guys in the next one.
Look, I am your daddy.
Cut it. We're done.